Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Jenny's DIY Studio, and I'm going to show you today how to do the owl's legs. As you see, those legs are like this, and they're actually sewn inside of the owl. Okay, so I'm telling you inside because these strands, these two tails, I pulled them on the side from the inside, and then I just stitch here one and stitch here again, and you have to make two. So that's one side, this is another side. Okay. So let's start. You will start with a chain, and you're gonna do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After having this, you're gonna slip stitch on the second from the needle. Slip stitch here, and then 9 more, so you're gonna have 10 slip stitches until the end. This one will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10. Now the thing is, you see that you have like a tiny one outside. That is always gonna happen because that is the one that is giving you this space so that you can attach it. So this, what we just did here, you're gonna do it 2 more times. 12 change and skip 1 and slip 10, and you will end up with this. At the end, chain 1 and then cut it, and then you attach it to your owl. Hope this helps. Bye.